Hello to the wheels weathering tutorial. Before we start weathering, we always need to varnish our model. The wheels are not an exception. Let's give our wheel a quick coat of VMS satin varnish. VMS brown earth color is available in two types, pure and textured. We will be using the textured type. Dispense some pigment. Mix the pigment with VMS enamel binders, matte type. Apply the paste like so. For the next step, have some VMS universal weathering carrier ready. Use the thinner to extend the pigment paste over the tire. Use a tissue soaked with VMS Universal Weathering Carrier to quickly remove excess paste and leave nice deposits in the tire tread. Apply heat to check the result. The application of textured pigment deposits, accumulated in the tire tread, is complete. Now we will create some streaking effects, using VMS Pigment Jockey Weathering Liquid. We will also need VMS Universal Weathering Carrier. Apply the weathering liquid like so. Now spread the color using a flat brush, soaked with little VMS Universal Weathering Carrier. Using a fine brush, soaked with VMS Universal Weathering Carrier, spread the color on the tire tread. You may add some extra pigment jockey weathering liquid. Use a tissue to remove the excess color. How much you leave or remove is up to you in your scenario. Let's add some dark tones using VMS Pigment Jockey. Work with the color using VMS Universal Weathering Carrier. Apply heat to check the result. Now we shall apply some dry VMS pigments. Simply rub small amount of dry pigment over the tire like so. the wheel is ready. Thanks a lot for watching, hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.